Okay, today I have this blanket that I got that I'm going to show you. This is a blanket. It comes in this box. So I'm going to show you. So it comes like this. It's all rolled up in a box. And let's see here. This is the queen size. I ordered the queen size in the gray. So this comes all, as you can see, rolled up. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out of this packaging here. And this is a very soft blanket. So it's white Sherpa on one side. So it's your white Sherpa. It's very soft. And then this soft gray on the inside, as you can see, the soft fleece gray. Like I said, this is the queen size, so it's, as you can see, it's a large blanket. It's very pretty color, very, very soft. And I'm going to show you a couple ways that I will use it. The first way is going to be on my couch here. So we like to sit here and watch movies or watch TV, and so this is a great couch blanket. So it's nice and big. A couple people can share it. So I'm going to lay it right over a couch like that. As you can see, it's really pretty color. So it makes a nice blanket. And then I'll show you one more way that I will use this. So here is the other place that I will use this blanket. As you can see, it looks very beautiful on my bed. It's nice and soft, and it'll be warm, especially for the colder months. So this is the other place where I will use this blanket.